right, and last but not least, our final performance of the evening, Horowhenua College. Their performance is called Our Walk, Our Journey, Our Movement, and their blurb is going to be read by Danica.
Our performance is about the reoccurring cycle for fighting for our rights, equality, and acceptance. It is inspired by the diverse cultural backgrounds of our students and teachers. We will highlight the historical events of the Mau movement, the 1975 and 2024 hikoi. This is not a political piece, but one that portrays unity, cultural pride, and the power of peaceful protests to enact change. All of this has happened before, and it will all happen again. It is time to break the cycle.
It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now, some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.
We are marching to Parliament, and no more land to be sold.
Our ancestors live today. Through us, we stand on the sacred land to remind these foreigners that this is our land, our home.
chicanas in the building, nigga.
Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come up. What's up? Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come up. Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they. See, that's how that shit down made me. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me.
My blood has been spilt for Samoa. I am proud to give it. I do not dream of avenging it. If I die, peace must be maintained at any price.
Samoa file mupea, masio toto nei tau valea, ai au ngalo wola mole nei mea.
The seed I would like to plant in your heart is a vision for Aotearoa, where all our people can live together in harmony and share the wisdom from each culture.
People of the mountains, people of the far, far land, people of the spirit. People of the mountains, people of the far, far land, people of the spirit. Right where we belong. 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 Right where we
Horowhenua College. Wow, I would hate to be the judges tonight. That is for sure. All right, welcome Imogen and Ailey. Come on up. Alrighty. What message do you hope the audience remembers from your performance?
So within our school, we have over 75 countries represented. And something that was very important for our creative team was that the audience could take from our performance the idea that every culture has a place in New Zealand. And something that was also very important was to show that everyone deserves the right to equality and that we should all unite as one.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Couldn't have said it any better. And how has being a part of Showquest impacted your school community?
We really wanted to make sure to give those students who are really quiet a chance to perform on stage, even if dancing, singing isn't their strong point. We wanted to show that no matter where you come from, what background you come from, what you do, that you can all come together as one, as you saw in our piece. The 3 different hikois coming together and being one, even though they were different.
Incredible. Thank you so much, you two. Well done. Go have a big break, have a drink of water. Oh, I love the spirit in the room. Thanks so much, guys.